Unlocking the secrets of flowing conversation. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's crucial for anyone looking to improve their speaking and listening skills in English: flowing conversation. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding this concept can transform your communication abilities. So, let's get started. A flowing conversation is one that proceeds smoothly and naturally, without awkward pauses or interruptions. It's like a river that moves steadily forward, navigating twists and turns with ease. In a flowing conversation, ideas and responses transition smoothly from one person to another, creating a comfortable and engaging dialogue. This type of conversation is the goal for many language learners, as it indicates a high level of proficiency and comfort in the language. To achieve a flowing conversation, several key elements need to be in place. Active listening, paying full attention to the speaker, showing interest, and responding appropriately. Fluency, the ability to express ideas smoothly and without excessive hesitation. Vocabulary, a sufficient range of words to express ideas clearly and understand the other person. Grammar, a good grasp of language rules to construct sentences correctly. Confidence, feeling comfortable with making mistakes and learning from them. Improving your conversation flow takes practice and patience. Here are some tips to help you. 1. Practice regularly. Engage in conversations as often as possible. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. 2. Listen and learn. Pay attention to how native speakers transition between ideas and use this as a model for your own conversations. 3. Expand your vocabulary. Learn new words and phrases to express your ideas more precisely. 4. Embrace mistakes. View mistakes as learning opportunities. Each error is a step towards improvement. 5. Use conversation fillers. Phrases like, "That's interesting," "I see," or "you know," can help smooth transitions and give you time to think. Mastering the art of flowing conversation is a journey, but it's well worth the effort. Not only will it improve your English language skills, but it will also enhance your ability to connect and communicate with others. Keep practicing, stay positive, and remember, every conversation is a chance to learn and grow. We hope this video has given you valuable insights into creating smoother, more engaging conversations in English. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.